In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the canvas size in CorelDRAW so you can set up your workspace perfectly for any project you might be working on. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure that no objects are currently selected on your screen. A very quick and easy way to do this is by pressing the spacebar on your keyboard, which will instantly activate the pick tool. Once you have the pick tool ready to go ahead and click anywhere on the empty gray workspace area that sits right outside of your current white canvas. This simple step is actually very important because it ensures that your property bar at the top of the interface will display the specific settings for the document page itself rather than showing options for a specific shape or line. Now, with nothing selected, take a look up at the horizontal property bar located near the top of your screen. You will notice that this bar dynamically changes based on what you are doing. To change your canvas to a standard dimension, look for the Page Size drop-down menu. This menu usually defaults to common sizes like letter or A4 depending on your region. Simply click the arrow to open the list and select whichever preset size fits your needs. However, if you happen to need a very specific or unique size for a custom print job, you can easily go that route as well. Just locate the page width and height boxes, which are situated right next to that preset drop-down menu. Go ahead and type your exact custom numbers into those boxes, and then simply press the Enter key to apply the changes. Your canvas will instantly update to reflect those new dimensions, and you will be ready to continue with your design work. It really is that easy to manage your workspace inside CorelDRAW.